Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In the previous lesson, we had learned SL consonant blends. In this lesson, we will learn ST consonant blends, how read and write in the beginning and end of the words. Let's repeat with me. St, 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 st. Now let's see how we put consonant blends in beginning of the words. Stir, star, stir, star, stir, star, 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 stir, study, stir, study, stir, study, 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 stir, stone, stir, stone, stir, stone, stone, stone. Now let's see how we put consonant blends in the end of the words. Feast, fist, feast, fist, feast, fist, 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 peast, pest, peast, pest, peast, pest, 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 post, 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 post. Now see this worksheet. For practice, I will show you how to do. Now see, first picture is slipper. You have to write SL. Now next picture is slip. You have to write here SL consonant blends. See, next is stone. You will write ST consonant blend. Next is slate. You will write here SL consonant. Next is fist. You will write here ST consonant blend. See, next is star. You will write here ST consonant blend. Great job. Now you will know all 4-letter words with ST consonant blends. But you need to practice a lot till you are very comfortable reading all these words. Practice some more with your parents. We will meet you in the next video. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अल्लाह हाफिज़। घर में रहना और अपना ध्यान रखना।